Sirke Shreyas. Sirke Shreyas. Okay. Come in now, see this waste material. There was a name, see banana peel, 3 to 4 weeks, cloth bag 1 month, rug 5 months, woolen socks 1 year, wood 10 to 15 years, leather shoes 40 to 50 years, tin can 50 to 100 years, aluminum can 200 to 250 years, different plastic bags 10 lakh years. Be careful. Plastic material. Plastic material carries the huge number of long time periods, 10 lakh years. Thermocol, no fixed period. It took infinite long period. Infinite long period. Now this some parts are there which can be given. See, if the time required for the degradation of the solid waste which is generated around this, it can be create some different factors which are related for the or which can disturb the solid waste management. Solid waste. Then given say figure 9.5 methods of storing solid waste. Then given see the 4 different cans are there: plastic, glass, then plastic, metal, glass and paper. Plastic, metal, glass and paper. Now see one by one how it can be created. See different ways. Whenever we are using this method in our house, it is most important to separate the different types of the solid waste, and it can be good habit to develop. We can separate paper, we can separate glass, we can separate plastic, we can separate metal. And secondly, we can make again 2 parts waste. There are 2 types of waste are there: wet waste and dry waste. It should be separate. That means it will be very useful to collect it, and it can be whenever we are collecting and throwing. That means we have been whenever the vehicles are coming of the municipality, we are putting this all garbage in that vehicle. It should be proper way. Now, once they are given, see this paper, glass, plastic and metal which are recycled once again back, which can be recycled. If it is separate out each and everything separately, it can be collected once more. It can sold to the factories as a raw material, and this will be undergo recycling process, and it can develop all the materials once again back. Just like the glass is there, plastic, paper and metals. This will be undergoes the process which we are calling as recycling process. What we are calling? Recycling process. Now come in the box. They are given one time period, say, for this developing of this new waste material which can be developed out. See, even since in the ancient time, the special attention has been given to the garbage disposal. In the Greek city, one law has been developed, see, and for the garbage disposal, it made throwing garbage in the open area will be strictly banned, and it will be punishable. Like this way, when they developed this law, and this country has been follow this law, and totally they follow this, and they manage this waste properly. Manage this waste properly. Now secondly, see, only you will see for this definition, give the just heading now, disaster management. Disaster management. Write correct spelling. Disaster management. Come in the first two questions. Note down first one. Which natural calamities have been experienced and how did they affect the condition in your surrounding? Whatever the different natural calamities are there in your surrounding or which have been heard, you have to mention this and how it affect on the surrounding where this calamity has been come to the in your surrounding. See, there are different are there. See, flood is the common one, earthquake is there. Anyone you can mention there and write the effect on this. Write the effect on this. It will be earthquake. Take, you can take flood, you can take landslide. You are much familiar with different landslide in our area. You can take any one of the example and mention the different problems after these calamities, and you have to mention this. Secondly, how will you make one type of plan to be safe from these calamities or to minimize the damage? Now see, for this different disasters like flood, fire, lightning, then different accidents, then chemical accidents in the industries, they are the man-made now. They are the not naturally man-made calamities are there. See, accidents in the factories, explosion of bomb, chemical accidents in the industries. These are the different ways which are created by the man time to time, and it can damage our life property very in huge amount. In the huge amount. Now for this, see, come on the next page. What are the types of casualties that we can see at different types of disaster? You know that when you visit to the